Akong balik ko na. Okay, ready, cluster 1. Basta kawayan! Okay. Cluster 2, ready. Basta kawayan! Okay. Cluster 3, ready. Basta kawayan! Murag nag-anam na kakusok. Murag nag-anam na pod kadag ko ang premium. Cluster 4, ready. Basta kawayan! Ana, nagkusok-kusok na gitsin. Okay, cluster 5, ready. Basta kawayan!
Kawayan!
Naam nini taga cluster 5 akong katapa diri. Okay, cluster 6, ready. Basta kawayan! Mura mag. Okay. Ako manggapoy mag-judges na ni parang way mahay gikan sa cluster 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 doon na mo'y madawat sa ako nga tag 10,000 pesos kada usa. Okay? Good afternoon, everyone. To a leader who continues to bring energy, vision, credibility to our province, our young, dynamic, yes, handsome governor in the province of Masbate, the Honorable Governor, Attorney Ricardo Cook. Our Vice Governor, the Honorable Fernando Ando Talisik, my colleagues in the LMP, the Mayor of Esperanza, Honorable Mayor Jikji Talisik, and of course, sa atong board member of the 3rd District, Honorable Board Member Bong Gonzales. Our DepEd province, led by ASDEs, OIC, SDO, Sir Joel Colboy, Ma'am Maria Sheila B. Laguda, Assistant School Division Superintendent, the public district supervisors from the different school district and the province of Masbate, Sir Pino Arellano, our SDO Palaro Secretary General, 1st District, Congressional District, the Honorable Congressman Antonio Tico, the 2nd Congressional District, we have the Honorable Congresswoman Dr. Olga Ku, and from the 3rd District, the Honorable Congressman Welton Tonton Ku. Our dedicated coaches and trainers, most importantly, our talented athletes who are the stars of today's event. It is with a great honor and enthusiasm that we submit on behalf of the people of Kawayan our commitment to host this Palarong Panlalawigan in 3 consecutive years. Allow me also to give an special recognition sa akong kaubanan sa LGU Kawayan. Dili magmalampuson pag-host sa usa ka dako nga event dinhi sa mong lungsod without our collective effort from the Legislative Department headed by the presiding officer, the Honorable Vice Mayor Esther Binsun. And of course, to the members of Sangguniang Bayan, we have the Honorable SB Member Raylan Abinoman, the Honorable SB Member Arnold Cortez, the Honorable SB Member Nigel Ando, the Honorable SB Member Richard Arsenal, the Honorable SB Member Albino Gupio Jr., the Honorable SB Member Sosimo Montecalvo, the Honorable SB Member Daniel Ormelia, the Honorable SB Member Paul T. Yukte, our ABC President, the Honorable Gerald Gader, our ISKI Federation President, the Honorable Ken Malate, and also the LGU Department team and employees concerned. Through their diligence, cooperation, sense of duty, daghang salamat. With deep gratitude and pride, we mark today a historic milestone for the municipality of Cauayan. Our third and final hosting of the Palarong Pandalawigan. 3 times we opened our doors. 3 times we proved that this small municipality can rise to the challenge of excellence, discipline, and unity through sports. This hosting is not an end, but turning point. After careful reflection and responsible planning, we have decided that this will be our last time to host the Palarong Pandalawigan. Not because we are stepping back, but because we are moving forward. From this point on, the resources that once funded hosting will now be redirected to a long-term investment that will benefit the generation of athletes, the construction of rubberized athletic ground for Cauayan. Gani, dako kayo ang atong pasalamat sa atong gobernador, labi na sa iyang suporta sa sports o sa kabatanunan sa probinsya sa Masbate. Tungod ang iyang gituman, ang iyang commitment, o ipakita ang konkretong aksyon sa iyang pagkahin o dakong pundo para sa construction sa Cauayan West Central School Grandstand nga nakantidad of 20 million pesos for the phase 1. Bahala na si Gobernador pilang yang idagdag sa pisto. Governor, ang imong presensya karon nagahatag og dako nga inspirasyon sa mga kabatanunan, sa mga atleta, and most important, your presence today reassures our people that Masbate province in a good hands. Before I end, let me leave everyone with this message. Ang Masbate Provincial Athletic Selection Meet 2026. Dili lang kompetisyon. Kini usa ka pagpangita og mga atleta nga magbarog isip representante sa atong probinsya with pride, athletes who will compete not only strength but with character, discipline, and heart. To our athlete, this is your moment. Show your talent, show your discipline, and most importantly, show us that Masbate produce champions not only in sport but in life. Sa makausap pa, good luck to everyone. Mabuhay ang atlitang Masbateño. Daghang salamat. Basta Cauayan!